This is the Homehop Solar LED Street Light Outdoor Waterproof 50-watt Wireless Motion Sensor Solar Light. It has IPX4 resistance, 12 to 14 hour runtime. I generally run it in motion sensor mode where it's dim at night and brightens up when someone walks by when detected by the motion sensor. Opening up the box, we have a customer care card, a remote with batteries, mounting bracket, wall anchor bolts, other nuts and bolts. This is the model I am reviewing, which is the 50 watt, and I also have the 400 watt version, which I will also demo in this video. Here's the solar light. Homehop is marked on it. This bolt can be loosened to angle the light. Here are the charging indicators. Motion sensor is the bulb here, green on-off button and IR sensor below for the remote. Press and hold the power button down for a few seconds and the light turns on. This is the battery level indicator and it's full right now. Behind is a solar panel. The monocrystalline panel generates 5 watts 5 volts which charges the 4000 mAh battery. The studio light itself is charging the light right now, indicated by the blinking LED. Here are the LEDs. Motion sensor is active. When I wave my hand over the light, it brightens up. The battery life is pretty good, giving around 12 to 14 hours of lighting when in PIR mode, where it brightens to 100% only when it detects motion. Hold down the power button to turn the light off. Here's the remote. Install the batteries and now we can control the light from afar. It has functions like on-off, increase brightness, turn on motion sensor, set to 3-hour, 4-hour, 6-hour running modes. Auto turns on the light automatically as soon as the ambient light goes down, essentially from dusk to dawn. This is how you would loosen the bolt and angle the light as required. I am using the wall anchor bolts to mount the solar light onto the wall. Set the angle and tighten. Now this is how it looks. It's mounted in the side walkway in my house as this area didn't have adequate lighting. The remote also works. It's best to install in an area with access to bright sunlight for best results. I also have this 400 watt version which is 8 times the brightness of the 50 watt version. We'll show how each one performs. Now to wait for night. The light has already started illuminating the area. It's not very dark yet. It's just slightly dark. This is how the 50 watt model works. My walkway is nicely lit. Everything is visible properly. This is how my 400 watt model works. It brightens up my front porch quite well. Homehop has multiple models in different power ratings, so a model for your needs can be selected easily. So that was the video. Make sure to like, subscribe and also hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.